Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, may bagong policy dito sa Popo about sa host quit agency policy. So, kung ikaw ay hindi makakaalis sa agency mo dahil ang rules is no release policy. So, may bago na ngayong ginawang policy si Popo. So, ito yon, number 1, base leave policy. So, host can apply to leave from the agency within 24 hours of joining without. So, kapag nag-join ka sa agency mo na wala pang 24 hours and mag-quit ka, automatic marirelease ka po. Actually, dati na itong number 1 guys. Nagagawa na natin to dati. Host who haven't completed face authentication. So, kapag yung account mo is wala pang face authentication, automatic ma-release po yan kapag nag-quit ka sa sinalihan mong agency. So, dati pa talaga yan. So, ang nadagdag lang is itong number 2, number 3, and number 4. So, number 2, event leave policy. So, hosts who have joined the agency 6 months in live stream 4 level can apply to leave agency from host. Kapag meron ka nitong number 2, pwede mo na itong gawing number 3 and number 4. So, number 3, live stream leave policy. All hosts may submit the reasons for leaving the agency to the help center. So, kailangan mo mag-submit ng reason mo kung bakit ka aalis sa agency doon sa help center. So, may note dito para magawa mo yon. For live stream, 10 level hosts need to have 50k na points sa iyong account. So, mayroon kang 50k na available na points sa iyong account. So, number 4, long-term low-income leave policy. So, host whose income in the past 6 months is less than 10,000 points, excluding platform rewards, can apply to leave. So, another note, this policy will be launched in May 2026. So, now is April 2026. So, next month. So, pwede na to siya. Mag-launch na to in May 2026. So, basa-basahin niyo lang po yung mga policy dito ay about sa, ayan, dito siya makikita guys. Dito naman sa host recall, pindutin nyo yan. Ayan, host recall announcement. So, basa-basahin nyo yan guys para malaman nyo po yung mga requirements na kailangan gawin para kapag mag-apply na kayo, mag-quit na kayo sa inyong mga agency, hindi magkaroon ng problema, hindi magka-error. Dire-diretso yung pag-quit nyo. So, paalala lang guys, kapag ikaw ay mag-quit sa iyong agency, isang pindot lang po, wag damihan ng pindot kasi the more na pinindot niya ng pinindot, walang marireceive yung agent nyo. Ang ma-receive niya is host canceled application, ganon. So, walang mapindot doon na i-release ka niya. Yan ay kung ang agency mo is nagre-release. Pero kung hindi naman, eto yung gawin nyo, yung ginawa natin ngayon, yung policy na bago. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye!